today I am installing a wig from Hermosa hair. They sent over a unit for me to try for y'all, so let's get to it. It is a body wave unit. I'm trying to see if it's a closure or frontal because I actually don't remember which one they said they were sending. It's a frontal. Okay, so we're gonna be installing this beautiful chocolate brown frontal wig today. And good thing is, y'all, this wig does not need any sort of plucking, bleaching, so I appreciate that. So we're gonna install this unit today. I think I'm just gonna do some curls, maybe do a side part. Should we move away from those middle parts? I don't know, but I really like the quality of Hermosa's hair. Every single wig that I have tried from them has been top tier quality, so I'm really excited about this one. I think it will be just the same. I feel like their density of their units are always so good. They're full and you get good quality hair. I have this one favorite body wave frontal wig that's just like a normal black color that I wear quite often, full rotation from Hermosa hair, and it still looks good. And I got that wig like 2 years ago. I will link it up here in the cards, the one that I'm talking about, because I've tried it here on YouTube and I still have it and it still looks good and I love it. So full, so nice, so shiny. So I'm having high hopes for this one. So inside of this one, of course, you see that frontal. You also have an elastic band. It also has a comb in the back. You have some adjustable straps. We're gonna cut off that additional lace right there. You got some combs over here in the front too. They're towards the side near your temples. So I'm gonna use both of those probably. And then we're just gonna do like a glueless install. We're still using some holding spray. People call that glueless because holding spray is technically not glue, but you know, I don't make the rules. Either way, I'm gonna use some holding spray to install my wig, and we're just gonna go with the flow to see exactly what style I come up with, because I don't know what I would like to do just yet. And then in this packaging, they gave me, ooh, they said, let me double you up, honey. They gave me 2 sets of lashes, and they actually look cute. Like, I would wear those. They also set your girl up with a wig cap. Oh, and it's an HD wig cap too. Ooh, come through. Put that one on, the HD wig cap. And then they also gave me a melt band with their logo on it, Hermosa. And then we have our cute little satin bag, of course. So when you get finished wearing the wig, you can put it right back in that bag. So let's get started. Go ahead, let's get started. Now I will say one thing. Y'all, wash your wigs. When they come, wash your wigs. But I'm gonna be honest with you, today ain't gonna be one of them days. I ain't washing this wig today. I ain't got time, I ain't got patience for the drying session and all that. But wash your wig, because I honestly kind of feel like your wigs kind of come out a little bit better when they've been washed and then you let them air dry. Even when you blow dry them, they come out good. Not saying this ain't gonna be cute without me blow drying it, but saying I feel like it's a vibe when you do wash your wigs and put them on. So anywho, let's go ahead and get this wig installed, because honey, these elastic bands be making your wig nice and snug. And I like to stick it, of course, at the bottom. Make sure it's kind of tucked behind my ears. Pull that back piece on back. Maybe I'll treat it like a closure and just kind of pluck right here in the center once I style it. Pluck it out that way. It's kind of what I'm leaning towards, because I don't think I want to pluck the entire hairline. I'm showing you ways to finagle your wig wearing, okay? Sometimes you don't have to go do all of that. You can, but you don't have to, because sometimes some of us don't be having time for all that, and I'm one of them people. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to pluck it, but I'm only focusing right here like it's a closure. We ain't even going to worry about this over here. Our edge pomade stick and our rat tail comb. I'm gonna just make sure I push these hairs back, and you can actually kind of see that it is kind of, it's pre-plucked. We're not gonna lie about it and be like, oh, it's just completely full all the way around, because it's not true. It is pre-plucked, but we could definitely do a little bit more plucking than what we have. So I'm gonna go in with this edge pomade stick. This one's from the brand Knees. This is their edge pomade stick, Wonder Edge Pineapple. Oh, it does smell like pineapples. Ooh, Jesus. I'm just going to use it around my hairline. First things first. So I can kind of see what I'm working with. Okay. We're going to grab our hot comb. Working with, I'm thinking, we do a middle part? I mean a side part? What do you think? think a side part would be kind of cute. On this side, maybe. I think that's what I'm leaning towards. Let's do a side part. Let's do that. So let me kind of move this back. I have a like setup right in front of me so I can see what I'm doing. And my table's kind of wiggly. What do we think? Right there? Or is it too deep? So we're just going to, this is how you make sure that you get the roots flat. You have to take it section by section, right? So you can see clearly this part over here is flat, but the rest where I want it to lay flat in this entire area is way too full or way too heightened. It has a lot more volume. We don't want that. So we have to go in between the hair, parting it space by space, making sure we get the roots nice and flat. This hot comb though is hot. And y'all please ignore my nails right now because I wanted to get them done. That's why they're not done. But I guess I'm gonna just go put my press-ons on. I love my press-ons, but I just wanted to go get a set, full set. That was my plan, to get a full set, get them with the little pink and white and get it ombre. But that doesn't seem like that's gonna happen today. We have one section flat, which is nice. And then I'm going to push this back because we're gonna focus on plucking right in here and then right in there. I think before I glue it, I'm going to pluck it first. First we'll work on right here. So I'm just gonna part right here in the front, just a little space.
But none of them is a thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. But shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm on purple rain, Prince and Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimist gon' metal and slush the magnum just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady sweeping room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in the crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check her, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent and passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out, but once will require you actually listen.
So I'm using this Knies Wonder Edge Stronghold water-based pomade. And this one is in, I don't even know how to say that, but it has natural argan oil in it. I'm not even gonna try to say that word. So now we're gonna do this little swoopty swoops over here. I don't wanna have too much product on here. Alright guys, so here is a finished installation process. So I installed it again. This is second day wearing it. Yesterday I had it curled with some more loose curls. Today I did some wand curls in it, and this is still similar to yesterday's look. It's just these are wand curls instead. But we're gonna call this the final look. I forgot to finish the video yesterday, so I had to redo the ending. so you guys can see what we're working with. This hair quality is really nice. Like I said, Hermosa has really good quality hair. It's a nice full density. The lace, easy to work with, easy to install, and honestly it blends really well to your skin. Of course, you might want to go in with some tint spray or some makeup product or something like that, but besides that, it definitely blends into the skin without having to do too much work. I'm pulling up my mirror. So I did like a little deep right side part, but since it's a frontal, of course you could do middle or on the left side, or you could even pull it up, have a half up, half down look. Just depends on what your preference is in styling your wig, but I would definitely recommend checking out Hermosa Hair, seeing what other styles they offer, because top quality hair. So all information about this specific unit will be found in my description bar. You can find a direct link to this wig as well as to Hermosa's website, so you can check out their other units. Let me know what you guys think about this unit in the comment section. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.